Hey guys, this is Gary from the very beautiful Cape Town, South Africa. I promised you an update on Bitcoin Gold, and I see that there is actually some information that I can share with you guys. Bitcoin Gold is a fork that's going to happen to the main Bitcoin blockchain on the 25th of October. Now, for those of you that have been in Bitcoin in the past, and you've experienced a fork of the blockchain before, you would have experienced it happening with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash was a lot more publicized and they had a lot more sort of public support than Bitcoin Gold has currently, okay? But so I'm not 100% sure, and there's still certain hardware wallets and certain platforms that are not committing to supporting Bitcoin Gold. So I cannot give you exact, precise information at this point, but what I can tell you is what you guys need to do if you want to take advantage of receiving free Bitcoin Gold is to make sure that you hold your Bitcoin in a wallet where you control the private keys. So a wallet like the Ledger Nanos, Trezor, Exodus is a very good one, a very easy one if you don't want actually a hardware wallet, because for every Bitcoin that you have, you should also receive a Bitcoin Gold, which is absolutely free. So why not just take advantage of it? So I will do a wallet. I will do another video on the Exodus wallet. If you haven't yet downloaded it, I'll just take you through it quickly. Because I have a Trezor, I haven't really used it. But I have done the download now so that I can actually show you guys how to do it. Alright, so what is Bitcoin Gold? It's a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain that will occur on the 25th of October 2017. And guys, you can see the website here. It's BTCG, Bitcoin Gold, GPU, so it's Bitcoin GPU, which is very clever, .org, okay? Really what these guys are doing is they splitting from the original blockchain, and they're now saying they want to decentralize Bitcoin more than what it is, because currently Bitcoin is being mined mostly by these huge mining houses that use this certain chip. It's called an ASIC chip, and it's very expensive to mine the current Bitcoin. So they want to now sort of create a branch off from Bitcoin, the main Bitcoin, and call this Bitcoin Gold, where you can now actually mine it with a GPU graphics card. Okay, so they will then make it accessible to mine off a normal computer, basically. Okay, and I'll do more videos on that as I become more familiar with it myself. So understand something, it's not going to hold the same value as Bitcoin. It's really just going to be an altcoin, okay, of Bitcoin, an altcoin, which is another coin, but not Bitcoin, but off the same fork of Bitcoin. All right, so all the information is here, guys. You go to, you type in btcgpu.org, and you can read through this, okay. What is the purpose of Bitcoin? The purpose is to make Bitcoin mining decentralized again. He's saying that Satoshi Nakamoto's idealistic vision of the one CPU, one vote has been superseded by reality, where the manufacture and distribution of mining equipment has become dominated by a very small number of entities, some of which have engaged in abusive practices against individual miners and the Bitcoin network as a whole. So there is a bit of, Bitcoin's not owned by anybody, so no one really makes one decision. And there is really a little bit of a contentious issue with when Bitcoin Cash came along, and now there's a new fork happening in November called the Sedgwick 2X. So guys, I want you to actually go through this. I don't want to spoon feed you. Go onto the site, I'll point you in the right direction, and then you can read all about this, okay? So how can I get Bitcoin Gold? The Bitcoin Gold initial coin distribution method is exactly the same as that of Bitcoin Cash. All Bitcoin holders who possess their private keys on the 25th of October will receive Bitcoin Gold at the rate of 1 Bitcoin to 1 Bitcoin Gold. Okay, so you need to control the private keys to make sure that you have it. Now, some exchanges did do it for Bitcoin Cash. Some wallets, like the Zappa wallet, eventually did. I can tell you now, I do not think Zappa will probably support this. And I do not think if you hold a 10x wallet that will support this. So if you want to get this free Bitcoin Gold, make sure you move your Bitcoin onto a Bitcoin wallet like the Exodus wallet, where you can then control and manage your own private keys. Okay, so this goes about all the possible questions, who the team is. Guys, go follow them on Facebook. There's a lot of sort of negative press about it because it's been a bit unorganized, but I do like the fact that they're wanting to decentralize it more than the current Bitcoin is, but understand it's never going to have the same value. So it might be a good one to just receive your free Bitcoin Gold, and then just watch the price. If you want to mine it with your computer, you can. And if you want to sell it, you can move it onto an exchange that is accepting it, and you can sell it and exchange it back into Bitcoin. Okay, so I want to just show you the actual wallet that you need to download. It's called Exodus. Exodus wallet, yeah. Okay, so it's www.exodus.io. Okay, I will try to do a video on it soon, but I'm getting married tomorrow, so I'm not sure how soon it's going to be. But yeah, guys, it's very, very simple. If you go onto that website, you can watch the videos here. Okay, and you download the wallet from here. Okay, if you've got a Windows, you download your Mac, etc. I've already downloaded it and I've tested it. Here is mine. It's quite a nice nice wallet. Okay, so it keeps a range of different cryptos. Okay, and it then shows you your portfolio value. Okay, within all these different cryptos. Okay, and it also allows you to exchange instantly from one to another. So it's a very clever little wallet. Make sure that before you do the backup that you've actually sent something to the actual wallet. Okay, so let's say you want to send Bitcoin to the wallet. You go to Wallet. Once you've downloaded it, you'll go to your actual Bitcoin wallet. You click Receive. And there's your receive address, okay? And you can send Bitcoin to that particular address. Once it actually arrives here, you'll be able to do the backup. And guys, there are videos on it within this actual website. Okay, there's a lot of help videos, and you can see exactly how to do it. Right, I don't want to make this video too long. It's just to prepare you for Bitcoin Gold, and I'll try to do one on Sedgwick 2x as well. But guys, the main thing is don't panic. During the period of the fork, do not send Bitcoin anywhere, okay? Just hold it. Do not transfer it. Hold your Bitcoin, okay? Until things have settled and everybody knows exactly what's happening. All right, Gary, guys, this is Gary signing off from the beautiful Cape Town. The date today is the 19th of October, 2017. Cheers, guys.